Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting right now. Park, chalk, and get the car safely on stands. Once up, break the lug nuts and remove the wheel so you can see the sway bar link. You're doing this to relieve suspension load and access both ends of the link. That's why standing on a lift or using sturdy stands matters. Now use penetrating oil on rusty nuts and tap to free corrosion. Make sure to gather replacement link, sockets, breaker bar, and torque wrench before moving on. You'll remove the old link next. Hold the stud with an Allen or second wrench to prevent spinning, then back off the nut. If it's seized, use penetrating oil and a firm breaker bar. Apply steady force to avoid rounding. Once free, remove the link and compare lengths and bushings to the new part. Install the new link by threading nuts by hand first so threads align, then tighten incrementally. This avoids cross-threading and ensures the joint seats correctly before final torque. You're finishing up. Torque both upper and lower nuts to the manufacturer's specification, reinstall the wheel, and lower the car carefully. Once on the ground, torque the wheel lug nuts to spec as well. Take a slow test drive over varied bumps and turns to confirm the fix. Listen and feel for clunks or looseness. If you still hear noise, make sure the bushings and sway bar mounts are intact and that the replacement link is the correct length. Re-torque after about 50 miles to double-check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.